I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you. Come rain or come shine. High as a mountain, deep as a river. Come rain or come shine. I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't ever bet me, baby. I'm gonna be true if you let me. You're gonna love me like nobody's loved me. Rain or shine. Happy together, unhappy together. Won't that be fine? Days may be cloudy or sunny. We might be in, out the money. But I love you, baby. I love you, rain or shine. Don't worry about me. I'll get along. Forget about me. Be happy, my love. Let's say that our little show all over, and so this story ends. Why not call it a day in a sensible way? Remaining friends. Look out for yourself. Let that be the rule. Give your heart, your love to the one you love. Don't be a fool. Hey, baby, why should you cling to a fading thing that used to be? If you can't forget, don't worry. If you can't forget, don't worry. If you can't forget, don't you worry about me.